Your car battery is very important because it helps start the engine and powers all the electrical parts of your car. Over time, batteries lose their strength and can stop working without warning. There are some signs that your car battery is about to die. One of the first signs your car battery is dying is a slow engine crank. When you turn the key, the engine takes longer than usual to start. This happens because the battery cannot provide enough power to the starter motor. If you notice your engine struggling or turning over slowly, it is a warning that your battery is weakening and may need testing or replacement soon. Dim headlights are a common sign that your car battery is weakening. When the battery cannot supply enough power, the lights may appear faint, especially when the engine is off or under load. You may see headlights brighten when revving the engine, indicating the battery struggles to maintain proper voltage. If left unchecked, a weak battery can cause other electrical problems in your car. Electrical problems in a car can be a sign of a weak or dying battery. You may notice flickering dashboard lights, slow power windows, or a malfunctioning radio. If your car's electronics act strangely, it is a warning to check the battery and charging system before it fails completely. If you hear a rapid clicking noise when turning the key, it may mean your battery is weak. The starter motor is trying to work, but is not getting enough power. These clicks indicate the electrical current is too low to start the engine. Repeated clicking is a warning that your battery may soon fail, and you should have it tested or replaced to avoid getting stranded. Corrosion on battery terminals appears as white, green, or bluish powder around the posts. It can prevent the battery from connecting properly and reduce its ability to power the car. Corrosion often happens due to acid leakage or old age. Using a corrosion battery cleaner helps remove white, green, or blue buildup on terminals. It improves electrical connection, allowing the battery to deliver full power to the car. Cleaner terminals reduce the risk of starting problems and flickering lights. Regular cleaning also extends the battery's life and keeps your car's electrical system running smoothly. Car batteries often struggle in cold weather because low temperatures slow down the chemical reactions inside. If your engine takes longer to start or struggles on chilly mornings, it may be a sign of a weak battery. Cold weather makes it harder for an old or weak battery to provide enough power. Charging your car battery helps keep it strong and ready to start the engine anytime. It improves battery life and prevents sudden breakdowns on the road. Regular charging also helps your car's electrical systems work smoothly and efficiently. By knowing these signs, you can keep your car battery in good condition.